This beautiful smooth caramel sauce is perfect for toppings on cakes, desserts, pancakes, ice creams, and it's surprisingly simple and tasty to make at home. Hi everyone, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy caramel sauce. So I'm going to start by adding 1 cup of sugar, and I'm using a heavy bottom saucepan. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm gently going to stir the water and the sugar till it's combined. I don't want to stir it too much, otherwise the sugar will start crystallizing. I'm going to allow this to cook on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes now. Just lightly swirl the pan and continue cooking the mixture till it thickens and turns darker, almost similar to the color of honey. But keep on swirling occasionally so the mixture doesn't burn. Do not use a spatula because the sugar can start crystallizing very easily. Now add 6 tablespoons of butter and quickly whisk to combine. Now bring the pan off the stove and add 1/2 cup of cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. The ingredients are all combined. I'm going to allow the caramel sauce now to cool and thicken. The caramel sauce has now thickened. I'm going to pour it in an airtight jar. This caramel sauce can be preserved in the fridge for up to a month. Can be enjoyed as a topping on pancakes, on fruits, on ice creams. It's a beautiful sauce. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.